So this is the car I'm selling. As you can see, the paint is really well preserved and it has been recently waxed. And then go to the dashboard, and the front seat and the passenger seat are still really like clean and well maintained. And there's a sliding door. The slide's opened and plenty of space in the back seat. Could fit possibly 3 people. And then when we go to the boot, it's a big space in the boot that you can put luggages in and anything that is needed, any grocery and anything. It's really clean. I've cleaned out the entire car, and those back seats can actually be flattened, so then that creates more space in the boot for you to put anything that you want.